looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family? Then take a look at the certified pre-owned 20 Jeep Cherokee Limited High Altitude with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, clocks and lamps on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.